What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to disable the touch sensor control panel on your Sony Mark V wireless headphones. Now you already know that these headphones come with a touch panel on the right side ear cup. You can do things like adjust volume, navigate between songs and albums, but if you want to, you can completely disable this touch sensor control panel. So to do this, the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure your headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Secondly, go to your App Store, either Android or iOS, and then download and install the Sony Headphones Connect application. It's free, it's from Sony Corporation. Go ahead and install it. And then launch it. If it's your first time, then of course you'll need to give permissions, Bluetooth, all that stuff, and make sure you're connected. And once you're on this page, it means you're properly connected. So go to System from the menu right there, and then scroll to Touch Sensor Control Panel. And as you can see, it's enabled by default. So go ahead and tap on that, and it should give you a warning, disables Touch Sensor Control Panel and all its features. So go ahead and tap OK. And now the Touch Sensor Control Panel is completely disabled. And that's it. That's how to do it. To enable, again, simply come back to the app, tap on that, and that's going to enable the touch sensor control panel. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.